Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janela. Well, it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices, and the digital switch over for local free-to-air television is underway, but stakeholders are calling for more support. I'll tell you more later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jeremy. Jeremy, what's coming up in sports?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, the Reggae Boys were mere characters in the messy show against Argentina last night. But the head coach says it wasn't all doom and gloom. We'll have the details of this and lots more a bit later on.
I see what you just did there. Messy show. That's all right. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Reggae Boys' performance in yesterday's friendly against Argentina?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.